Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm sharing a recipe which is just came in to my mind just on a fraction of second. I thought of making jalapeno stuffed laddi pav, but then my little one said I wanted to have something sweet, so I have divided the batter into two. One portion gone into this strawberry sweetbread, which is what we are going to see through this video. This is a very sweet bread. Just you can apply some butter on top, it goes well. How to make this? We need to proof the yeast. If you're using instant directly, you can use them, or if it is active, 1 tablespoon of sugar, lukewarm water, then a tablespoon of yeast goes in for 2.5 cups of flour. Give it a mix and rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will see you can see frothy on top. Keep that aside. Let's save the dry ingredients, that is the flour. I use here 1.5 cup of all-purpose and 1 cup of whole wheat. 2.5 cup of flour goes in, then goes 2 tablespoon of milk powder, a pinch of salt, rather half a tablespoon of salt goes in for 2.5 cups of flour. Save it nice. Leaving air is always good when you make bread. Once it is nicely saved, add in the proofed yeast. Give it a mix, yes, so that the salt, milk powder all get mixed nicely. Then let's add in the proofed yeast. Make a well in the middle. Slowly add in the yeast and give it a good mix. Not all yeast at one go, little by little. And just combine all the ingredients, and then we can transfer that to the nice work surface and knead the dough. If need be, add some milk or water. So the water, milk all depends on sometimes the quality of the flour too. So always add little by little so that you can control them not going too liquidy. I have used here 1/4 cup of milk maximum. My cup size 1 cup 240 ml, which is in flour measurement it is 140 grams. Now let's dust some flour on the work surface, clean work surface, and transfer this. And we need to knead this for 10 to 15 minutes till it forms nice elastic, soft and bouncy. Once you press in, it should come back. That is the test, or rather you can as well do floor test by just stretching at it. It should look transparent, it should not tear apart. So till then we have to knead the dough. You can see now it's totally sticky. That's alright. If we keep kneading at it, we should at some point start seeing it getting elastic. Do not add too much of a flour. That will make the bread more dense. So just ensure little by little dusting with flour, kneading, stretching towards upwards direction, collect it and again stretch it. Once this 5 to 8 minutes of kneading is done, then add in some butter, 2 tablespoons of butter, and continue kneading. Now I can feel that the stickiness is slightly gone. It's still sticky. I need to knead still more, but I can really see the difference. The butter, ensure it is room temperature. Once you add in the butter, it will turn more soft, the dough. This process is gonna take you minimum 15 to 18 minutes. We are almost there. You can see now the stickiness is slowly disappearing. Now collect the dough, nicely coated with oil, and keep it in a greased container. You can see now once I press with my fingers, it is bouncing back. This is the consistency we wanted. If you have a cling wrap, just cover it using the cling wrap. Since I don't have, I'm using foil. Just cover it. I'm using half the portion of the dough for making my strawberry sweetbread. Fun Foods sauce, which is slightly thicker, it's not a jam. I've taken that 2 tablespoons, give it a mix with my dough, and left it for more proof for half an hour also. Then after half an hour I've collected that and I tried shaping it. It was little sticky because of the sauce. It is just my try, but once it is baked, this really came out very good. Just with the butter on top, we really loved it with the strawberry flavor. My little one definitely liked it, so hence I thought I would share this with all of you. Just fold it the regular way that we bake bread. Collect it and fold it and pinch it, seal the edges, cover the sides too, and leave it in your baking tray for more half an hour proofing, and then you apply some tutti frutti on top and preheat your oven 200 for 10 minutes and bake it at 200 degree for 40 minutes, or depending on the oven it takes the time. Mine took 40 minutes. And once it is cooled down, slice them and enjoy. You can serve this bread with a cup of milk for your little ones, and you can enjoy it with a cup of coffee. It goes very well. I hope you try, and do let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for tuning into Lathus Kitchen. Keep supporting us. If you like the video, leave a like and find it useful, do share. Sharing, which really means a lot to us. Thank you.